Hello YouTube, this is Joe, the Garage Yeti, and we're out in the garage today going over a few M16a1 kits that I got from Bowman several months back. I have cleaned them up. They look like they're all Colt parts. Furniture is in typical shape. Even has some stock numbers on them. Bolts are C-marked. They are Colt. Nice condition. And I'm going to be turning these into real rifles. They, of course, came with the magazine well, and I sent them off to a popular gentleman on one of the popular boards to get fixed. And they are right here. I got them in last night and figured I'd do a video today on them. So let's open these up and we'll see what they look like. I can already tell I'm gonna love them. There we go. He did an excellent job on these. And let's see the next one. Yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing is actually going to try to anodize these. We'll see how that goes. But in the next video, I'm definitely going to be milling these pockets out and putting these rifles together. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, please. Have a great day.